Let's say you want to print this data, then select the data that you want to print and then go to file, and there you will see various options. So go to print preview to see how the printout would look like. You can see that we have this view which looks fine, and if you want to close this preview, then click on this cross and then the preview would be closed. Now again select the data and go to file and then click on print to actually print the document. So here you can see various options. So we can see the printer that is there. You will have to add the printer in case your printer is not showing over here, and you have to select what all pages you want to print, how many copies you want to print, and then so here you will see various options. So we can see we have three options over here: print all sheets, print selected sheets, or print selected cells. So since we had selected the data already, you can select the selected cells and then all pages, and then you can just print it out to see how the printout would look like. And maybe if you really want to see how the printout would actually look like, you can instead save the file as PDF first and then save it. So now the PDF is saved. So this is how the PDF looks like. So this is how the actual print would also look like when you will print it out using your printer.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.